Well, guys, this is the trash cats from one day. I was here yesterday, and yeah. So my hay bale has been plucked from the woods. I don't know where the fuck the other one is. I guess stolen, destroyed. I don't know. There's a bunch of hay here, but not enough for a whole bale to be gone. Somebody slipped it out of its twine, and I don't know where the rest of it went, but I've got my broken sign stacked back together, and I don't know where multiple other signs are. They could be under all of this shit or just stolen. There's one of the posts down there in the woods. I'm beyond fucking sick of this shit. So I'm going back to the house to get some more trail cams, and if I can catch the prick who's doing this on camera finally, that would be awesome, because I've been trying for over a year now. Just an idea of how far back this dumping and pollution bullshit goes this year. It's really unprecedented. Yeah, thanks, assholes. Here we go. We're following this. All pushed here by the town. And then an erosion problem caused again by the town pushing all this shit on my land. We are now way over 50 feet back into my woods. And here we go. It's all coming down in here. And oh, look, there's a spring that it's leaching into. So they're dumping uphill of a water source. Dumping uphill of a water source. And here we are. So that's cool, right? Dumping uphill of a water source. Not done yet, I guess. Keep going.
Hello?
Why the fuck you on my land, man?
I'm not on your land.
Yeah, you are.
This is not your land.
Wanna fucking bet?
No.
Thanks, that was really entertaining.
What?
That was really entertaining.
I'm just throwing rocks over there because I'm moving them because I'm tripping.
Yeah, you're on my land, man. Fuck off. Fuck are you? Tripping? Wow, man. I thought that was adults doing it the whole time. It's some fucking kid trashing my shit. Wow. That's great. Ripped this off the tree, huh? Wow, man. All winter long, this little frick has been doing this shit. Holy crap. Oh, wow. There's now a fire hose dumped on my land. That's cool. The fuck? Fucking assholes. Hi. Somebody can't read. wasn't here an hour ago. Oh my god. Oh my. The fuck? Somebody's just dumping their shit here. As I was saying before, the little prick came over here and chucked my hay bales and all of my signs into woods. Boy, isn't it cool how I got that on camera finally? I was coming up here to set a trail cam, and I caught a school bus coming and dropping somebody off, and thought the kid was gonna get out and go home, and instead he trashed all my stuff here. What I really need to do is find somebody sympathetic with a tractor and have every inch of this garbage removed off my land, and gonna be sending off the filings for a small court complaint today. This is above and beyond bullshit that any homesteader would ever want to fucking deal with.